Desktop.
Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows users to organize, format, and calculate data. It's part of the Microsoft Office and Microsoft 365 suites and is available for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and iPad OS. Screen components.
Formula bar. The formula bar in Microsoft Excel is a toolbar that allows users to enter, view, and edit formulas and functions in a spreadsheet. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel is a customizable toolbar that contains frequently used commands, options, and features. It can be located above or below the ribbon in the upper left corner of the Excel window. By default, the Quick Access Toolbar is hidden below the ribbon. Worksheet tab. A worksheet in Excel is a spreadsheet that contains cells organized into rows and columns where you can enter and calculate data. Ribbon. The ribbon in Excel is a set of toolbars at the top of the Excel window that provides shortcuts to commands to help users complete tasks. Status bar. The status bar in Excel is a thin bar at the bottom of the Excel window that displays information about the current state of the spreadsheet.
Name box. The name box in Microsoft Excel is a feature that allows users to assign names to cells or range of cells. It's located to the left of the formula bar and displays the name of the active cell or the cell reference if no name has been assigned. File tab. File tab contains the basic required options such as new, open, save as, print, share, export, and close options. Other than the aforementioned options, you can find Account and Excel Options tab to a info. With this option, we can get the information about the particular Excel file. Cell. A cell in Excel is a rectangular box in a worksheet that is formed by the intersection of a column and a row. Active cell. The active cell in Excel is the cell that is currently selected and highlighted, and where data is entered or modified. It is indicated by a dark border, a different background color, or the cell's address displayed in a designated field. Zoom control. In Excel, zoom control refers to the feature that allows you to adjust the magnification level of your worksheet, essentially making the cells appear larger or smaller on your screen by zooming in or out, which can be accessed through the View tab, a slider in the bottom right corner of the Excel window, or keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus.
Spreadsheet area. The spreadsheet area in Excel is called a worksheet. A worksheet is made up of cells that are organized into rows and columns, where users can enter and calculate data. Worksheets are stored in workbooks, which can contain multiple worksheets. Control button. Control buttons in Excel are objects that allow users to interact with data, perform actions, or make selections. They can be used to automate tasks like printing worksheets, filtering data, or calculating numbers. Address bar. In Excel, the address bar is a small box located near the top of the spreadsheet that displays the exact cell reference of the currently selected cell, essentially showing you the column letter and rows number of where you are currently positioned within the worksheet. It acts as a quick reference to identify the location of your active cell. Scroll bar. You use a scroll bar or spin button to quickly enter or change a range of values. Scroll bar scrolls through a range of values when you click the scroll arrows or when you drag the scroll box.
Excel file button menu. The file menu is the leftmost item in the Excel ribbon. The file ribbon items enable you to perform file management functions, including open, save, close, and print. Organizations use Microsoft Excel for the following: collection and verification of business data, business analysis, data entry and storage, data analysis, performance reporting, strategic analysis, accounting and budgeting, administrative and managerial management, account management, project management and office administration. Advanced Excel capabilities. Trend function. This tool is used to calculate linear trend lines through a set of Y or X values. It can be used for time series trend analysis or projecting future trends. Trend lines can be used on charts. VLOOKUP. The vertical lookup or VLOOKUP function can be used to search for values in a larger data and pull that data into a new table. VLOOKUP is a cell input command that looks like VLOOKUP. The parentheses include the data the user wants to look up. When to look for it, the column number with the value to return. Or optionally, the user can specify an approximate or exact match indicated by true or false. Table array. This is a combination of two or more tables with data and values linked and related to one another. This is part of VLOOKUP. Call index num. Another value when creating a table array that specifies the column from where data is being pulled. Range lookup. This value is VLOOKUP. Provides information closest to what a user wants to find when nothing matches other variables. This is represented by a true or false label. False gives the exact value a user is looking for. True gives results from a variable data range. Max and min functions. These functions provide the maximum and minimum values from selected datasets. Max is used to find the maximum value in a function tab, and min is used to find the minimum value. And function. This function has more than one criteria set when searching variables. If a variable matches the criteria, the value will be returned as true. If not, it will be returned as false. The input for the function should look like this. And logical 1, logical 2.